What about your pail here?
Brody, let go.
What about your pail?
What?
Why don't you fill up your pail?
Okay. It's gonna be a fast one.
You trying to get me?
Yeah.
It's getting closer for some reason.
Hey, Brody.
See the face he's got on? He's got a...
Oh, to be a kid again, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing?
I got one.
What do you got?
I got
Oh, you got a...
some water in it.
What?